Hello, this is Sean with Sterling Fleet. Just wanted to give you an overview of a recently completed utility vehicle. This particular application is for meter installations, a large utility company. So I'll show you around the vehicle starting at the back. At the top we have a set of spotlights or work lamps, central mounted beacon or amber mini bar, and then we'll just take a look inside and show you all around. Flicking the lights on demonstrates how nicely this is lit up with light strips on each of the cross members throughout to give a good distribution of light, make working easier. Just jump up inside here and show you the driver's side. To start off, we've got some locking compartments. We have some pipe storage at the top with some retainers going up to the ceiling for strength. Nice low access point here for the pipe to fit in on the top shelf. So it's very purpose-built, very organized, and a lot of time was spent designing this along with the customer's input. So that's a value that we bring to the table as a company focused in this industry, not just on any custom build, but working with the client to develop the build and bring it to full potential through that process. So down at the bottom here at the front, you can see there's a white box. We'll leave it as a mystery for a minute and show you that in a minute. On the passenger side, you can see there's some shovel storage. We do have a drip tray at the bottom, along with some tie downs. You can move these around. These clips are relocatable, and you can put your shovels, rakes, what have you, and then strap them up nice and tight. This cabinet here is a locking, latching drawer system. Again, this was designed custom for the requirements of the customer, with a couple different dimensions of depth of drawer. Again, very solid, locking, latching, drawers all the way down to the floor. Ahead of that is our workbench with some additional pull-out drawers underneath, some further storage, and then a retainer floor kicker so they can retain some product on the ground there by the wheel well. Nice, clean, bright workspace. We've got some onboard power here in the form of an inverter system, 700 watt. Was there some plugs next to the bench as well. Over top, you do have additional storage, which is super handy. Otherwise, would be not very useful wall space. So you can put bins up here, you can have dividers, whatever you like. And then on the end, we do have a vise, which is bolted off the end of the bench. This is a new design for us. We're super stoked about it. It's very strong and excellent design. So you've got a chain vise, which is very common in this industry, and they can work on pipes, etc. in this area of the truck. You do have interior light switches on the side of the vehicle and the rear of the vehicle, so wherever you are, you can turn it on or off, which is very convenient as a three-way switch. Up the front of the vehicle, we have, again, some very purpose-built shelving to hold equipment that the customer requires. This shelf here, which may look a little bit odd to the average person, is for the purpose of having this removable. You can remove this at any time and have full access to the clear height between the two shelves, top and bottom, which is super convenient. Front sort of hidden is our contoured safety partition that we make in-house here at Sterling. Very solid, well-designed product which provides safety for the driver and passenger, as well as keep the air in the cab cold or hot, depending on what your season is. I'll just jump out the side door and demonstrate how these meter trays work. So at the side door here, we've got some very purpose-built meter trays. Again, using the word purpose-built, this is designed specifically for the customer's needs. This is not something that's off of the shelf or in a catalog, just ready to purchase. Single action operation, which is very good. Very heavy duty drawer slides on this, slide in and out very comfortably, easy to operate. When there's a bit of weight on there, they'll operate even better. And then you've got your partition as mentioned. Last but not least, inside here is your flooring system. So this is a phenolic coated marine plywood with our custom designed side and rear sill plates. I'll just show you around the driver's side now with opening access to our side compartment. So here we have our generator compartment, which is custom built, bought into the side of a transit van. So we've got a barn door configuration here. This can be set up as a single door, but in this case, customer required a barn door. We have louvered vents, nice stainless steel hinges, and nicely trimmed and contoured and sealed into the van. Gas prop on both doors, lock-in, lock-out slide on your generator tray. You've got your whip to plug into your generator. This provides power to specific plugs inside the vehicle. space off to the left for jerry cans or gas cans. So again, that was designed for their needs, but again, it just goes to show that we are here to support through the design phase, making this the outcome of the vehicle how you want it, how it's going to be best used in the field, and be most efficient for your fleet. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out anytime. We'd love to work with you and your team to help you get more done. Sean with Sterling, 604-210-3941. Take care.